Hello and welcome to another episode of latest update. The topic of discussion is Antarctica is turning green. Antarctica is undergoing a dramatic transformation with its icy landscape increasingly turning green. A new study reveals that the rate of this change has accelerated by over 30% in recent years compared to the previous 3 decades. Between 1986 and 2021, researchers observed a staggering increase in vegetation cover across the Antarctic Peninsula, soaring from less than 1 square kilometer to nearly 12 square kilometers. This tenfold rise underscores the significant impact of climate change on one of the world's last frontiers. The research team utilized satellite data to track the greening of the Antarctic Peninsula, highlighting the urgent consequences of a warming planet. This recent acceleration in the rate of change in vegetation cover coincides with a marked decrease in sea ice extent in Antarctic over the same period. The study provides evidence that a widespread greening trend across the Antarctic Peninsula is underway and accelerating. Antarctica has been shown to be warming faster than the global average, with extreme heat events becoming more common. The planets we find on the Antarctic Peninsula, mostly mosses, grow in perhaps the hardest conditions on Earth. While only a tiny fraction of the landscape, still largely dominated by snow, ice, and rock, is colonized by plant life, that tiny fraction has grown dramatically, showing that even this vast and isolated wilderness is affected by human-caused climate change. Now it's time for the practice question. Which region in Antarctica has experienced a tenfold increase in vegetation cover between 1986 and 2021? Antarctic Peninsula, Eastern Antarctica, Western Antarctica, or Southern Polar Region? Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.